Remember, the bits will fall on the floor. Go on. It'll take all day doing this. So use your thumb backwards along between the line. Don't keep doing that, just get on with it.
Get it in.
Oh.
That's a little bit left, never mind.
Come on, Vincent, get it done. I would have finished the whole job by now. That's alright, don't worry about that, that's scrap. This bit you're cutting now isn't scrap, so don't cop that up. Keep going, stop stopping. Come on. You saw the whole lot off. All right across. Go on, keep going, stop stopping. Keep going. Don't worry about blowing it now. You've cut through the bit we want to keep. This is just a scrap bit. Go on. Don't worry about that either. Just go on. There you go. Keep that bit. Now finish that bit off. Yeah. Stop doing that. Get the job done. You're only going half an inch. Done. Now show the bit you're keeping to the camera. And the bird box alignment. Let's have a look. Bring the bird box over.
We are keeping...
Now align it onto the bird box. That bit. You put that bit away. Throw it on the floor. Oh, yeah. Not that bit. Oh. That is the bit you want, you Burke.
That bit.
Not that bit. Concentrate on what you're doing.
Right. Angles would be like that, wouldn't it?
Now, is that good?
Right, I thought it was that bit.
That alright?
Not too bad.
Not bad?
At the moment.
It's alright this end. Yeah.
Really. I think it's not good.
It's alright this end. It's fine. That's alright. It doesn't got to be. It's only a bird box.
It does the job.
Yeah, we're just neating it up now. So look at this end.
Yeah, this is tight.
That's alright. Right.
Yeah. I'm quite surprised.
Job's a good one then. Smile. Now, it is now complete. Bar sand, not sanding, what am I talking about? What do I think of? Staining, that's it. Here it be. Open it up.
Yep.
Well, yeah, we
and
even
it doesn't
have
get in the way of the wall when you open it up.
brass coated. Oh, that's red, that would. You know, one of those things. Oh, look, drain holes in the bottom. Yeah, that's quite good, I feel, on that grain. Doesn't look so good. Special hinge. Had that hinge for about 50 years. And at last found a use for it. How does that? See? Right open. Yay.
I'll show the clever feature.
What clever feature?
Well, not very clever, but not gold.
What's that? What?
If there's... You can still open when there's a wall there.
Well, that was the idea of designing it like that. See? So it can open with a wall there.
Normally, sometimes, like that one up there, so I can't get that one down quick.
That one up there. That one up there. Oh yeah. Has that got an opening lid? It hasn't, has it?
This one? Yeah, it has.
Hang on.
Oh, it's
oh yeah, that's just screwed up.
So the wall will get in the way.
Yeah,
be able to open
that's
it.
Because you open that up and it hits the wall, so you can't.
Have to take it off the wall.
You have to take it off the wall to open it up and look at the bird's nest. And you don't, because it opens up like, oops, like that. It doesn't touch the wall because of that offset. That was quite difficult to make, that was. Yeah. Well, we got there in the end, didn't we?
Yeah.
Doink.
Yeah, we did.
Anyway.
Oh, it's much more to show, really.
There we do, isn't it? Well, close the lid up then.
To wire it up as well at the side.
Yeah. That'll do then. Right, end of movie.